Imagine you're driving home from work. It's enjoyable and pleasing. Everything seems perfect until a careless driver gets too close and frustrates you. Now, it's dangerous. Tailgating is a huge common cause of rear-end crashes and road rage. Clear communication is crucial to avoid such incidents. Introducing RoadSage, the first smart display that prevents rear-end collisions by alerting tailgaters autonomously. With built-in rear camera, RoadSage is designed to provide you a rear-safe driving space. RoadSage goes under the rear windshield of your car and can display text, emojis, and other graphic formats. It comes with a voice-assisted mobile app and a wireless RoadMote. RoadSage's companion app is fully voice-activated and works with Siri and Google Assistant.
Hey Siri, display baby on board.
Letting you drive with both hands on the wheel. It has hundreds of pre-typed messages that you can display with a single voice command. RoadMote is a wireless remote that has made communication with other drivers even easier. It has 4 buttons for most frequently used commands, like I'm sorry or thank you. RoadSage's inbuilt 5-megapixel cam doubles down as a backup camera, proactively detecting potential accidents and highlighting the footage in your app for easy access. RoadSage is designed to be autonomous using advanced image processing and AI algorithms. It's visible from up to 25 meters in most weather conditions and doesn't cause any rear view obstruction once installed correctly. RoadSage is easy to install and works right out of the box. We now spend more time in our cars than ever, and having a peaceful journey is necessary for our safety and mental health. RoadSage is a step in the right direction to reduce the number of fatal accidents caused by rear-end collisions. We're on a mission to make roads a safer and happier place with the help of RoadSage. Join us today. Since 2021, we've built several prototypes to test different technologies and their effectiveness to reduce tailgating. We're in it for the long run. We need your support. So no matter who you are, we want to make your road journeys a pleasurable experience with RoadSage. It's now available to order on Indiegogo, so get your hands on RoadSage now and make roads a safer and happier place.
Hi, we are the creators of RoadSage, and bringing RoadSage to life hasn't been easy for us.
From getting our engineering degrees to working till midnight, it's been a long and challenging journey. And yes, we did it.
RoadSage is now available to order on Indiegogo. Now is your chance to go and get RoadSage at the best possible price. Click the link below and back us now. Thank you.